Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. Today on this Maintenance Monday, I'd like to talk to you about your door locks. Have you ever gone out to unlock your door and the lock be very, very difficult to turn one way or the other? Same with your deadbolt lock. If it's difficult to turn one way or the other initially, what might be happening is your locks are dried out and you need to get you some lubrication in there. So one thing I recommend is the silicone spray, and it can be any brand, but specifically silicone spray. Take your little red tube here, and then stick the tube inside your lock hole, your keyhole, all the way as far as you can push it, and then spray a little bit till you see some come back out. Not much, it's just typically a little squirt. Will do just fine. Same with your deadbolt lock. Once you're done with those two things, take your key, put your key back in the hole, and lock and unlock the lock a number of times. Do the same for your deadbolt. Doing those few steps should cure your lock from the sticky situation. If you have any questions about this or anything else on your Airstream, please check out our website, give us a call, better yet, stop by. We'd love to help you out in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.